Hello, how are you today?
Um,
Very good. Okay, then I'm quickly going to ask you a few questions just to introduce yourself. And I just want to know how has your life changed in the last 3 to 5 years? Okay, so do you think you spend more or less time on meeting friends?
I think that I spend more. I think that I spend less time with my friends because our school has had a test that basically we've changed classes and we haven't gone
You got a lot of time to meet, okay? And do you think you spend more or less time using your phone?
I don't have a phone.
You don't use your phone. Okay. And do you spend more or less time sleeping?
It's still the same as before.
Still the same amount of time of sleeping. Okay. Ferdinand, I want to know, what would you like to have more time for?
I would really like to have more time to have fun with my friends because we're now not in the same class anymore, so
You don't see them so often. Okay. Okay. So Dinan, you live in Vietnam and you live in Hanoi, and Hanoi is a city.
yeah.
So where in Hanoi do you live?
I live in
Which district?
Luckily,
Bak Tu Liang. Okay. And is it small or big?
I think it's big.
Your district is big? Okay. And what do you think, how many people lives in Hanoi? What do you think the population of Hanoi is?
I think it's about 100,000.
100,000? Or do you think more like 7 million?
I think 7.
7 million, okay. And I want to know, do you like living in Hanoi or would you like to live somewhere else?
I like living in Hanoi because it's a modern city.
Very convenient, very easy to get around. Okay. I just want to know, what's your favorite activity to do in Hanoi?
I like to do many things. I like to go to the restaurant, I like to play with my friends, I like to go somewhere to play.
Explore in a bit. Okay, no problem. Okay, Dinan, I just want to know from you, do you think you read enough?
I think no, because I rarely read books.
You really read books. Okay, and do you think you eat enough fruit and vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, what's your favorite fruit?
I think it's apple or
Apples or watermelon. Okay, and what are your favorite vegetables?
and
Don't know. Which ones you like?
all of them.
You like all the vegetables?
I can eat all of them.
Okay, that's good. And do you think you do enough sport or exercises?
Yes.
What do you do?
I cycle to my school and I exercise once I exercise a week.
Once a week? Or in the week?
Every week.
Every week, okay. And do you think you drink enough water?
I think sometimes no, because I just don't really enough.
You don't drink enough water, okay. And do you think you eat too much fast food?
No.
No. Don't eat fast food a lot? Okay. And do you think you spend too much money on things you don't need?
No, I rarely spend money.
You rarely spend money, that's good. And do you think you have too much homework?
No.
Just enough. Okay. And this I'm just going to, I'll just choose random ones and then just talk about that, okay? What do you think you are very good at and very bad at?
think I'm really good at studying in my class because I'm good at I'm just good at studying.
Just good at studying. And what are you very bad at doing?
Sometimes I get on with people.
Okay. And what do you love doing in the summer?
In summer I like to play. I like to go swimming and to eat. I like to travel.
Like to travel in the summer. Okay. And what do you like doing with your family?
I like to travel with my family in the weekend. I like to do stuff with my family.
Okay. And is there anything that you don't like to do alone?
I don't like to play games alone. I like to play with my friends because it's funny.
A lot of fun, yeah? Okay. And now just the last one, my life. Okay. When was the last time you got a present?
When is my birthday from last year?
Last year's birthday. And can you remember what you got?
It's a table we can play mini football. I don't know what type.
Mini football. Foosball. That one that you use like this. Foosball table. Okay. And who was it from?
It's from my parents.
From your parents. Okay. And would you like to get fitter?
Yes, of course. I will have to
Skinny. Okay. And what do you think that you should do in order to get more fitter?
I should eat more food and exercise more.
Exercise more and eat more food. Okay. And who do you get best on? Who do you get on best with in your family? And is there anybody that you don't get on with?
I get on with most of the people. I think I don't get on really well with my brother.
With your brother? Is your brother younger or older than you?
Younger.
Okay. And how do you usually get to school?
As I said before, I cycle to school.
Cycle to
But
school.
last year I took the bus.
Last year you took the bus. Okay. And how long did it take you to get to school with the bus?
It usually took 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. And what is the first thing that you do when you get home from school?
I just watch TV.
Watch TV. Okay. And are you very good with directions, or do you get lost easily?
I don't think I got lost either.
Okay. And that's it. Very good. Thank you very much, Tina. Okay.